I think you start reading and then say how you say your name and then I'll say.
All right. Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I, Tyler Mullen, from a 6th period chemistry class, have learned to a B level. Oh wait, no, I'm still a C. C level. The following concepts from this first 12 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an exclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. All right. So chapter 1, Intro to Chemistry. The medicines and materials doctors use to treat patients are supplied by chemists. What did you learn?
Okay. In Intro to Chemistry, Chapter 1, I learned about matter, chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and biochemistry.
Right on. All right, Chapter 2 is pretty crazy. So we learned about matter and change. During any chemical reaction, the mass of the product is always equal to the mass of its reactants.
In Chapter 2, I learned about mass, volume, solids, liquids, gas, and their properties.
That's pretty good. All right, Chapter 3, Scientific Method. 5 most commonly used SI-based units are the meter, kilogram, Kelvin, seconds, and mole.
In Chapter 3, for me, I learned about accuracy, precision, measurements, errors, and percent errors.
Chapter 4?
Yeah, Chapter 4.
All right, Chapter 4, Atomic Structure. In a nuclear atom, the protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus. The electrons are found around the nucleus, and they occupy almost all of the volume of an atom. It's pretty crazy.
Okay, in Chapter 4 for me, I learned about the different atomic theories, like Dalton's atomic theory. That's pretty much it.
All right, Chapter 5, Electrons and Atoms. While atoms absorb energy, their electrons then move to elevated energy levels. Those electrons then lose energy by emitting light.
Chapter 5, I learned about energy levels, quantum mechanical models, and atomic orbitals.
All right, Chapter 6, the periodic table. Cations are always smaller than the atoms that they come from. That's what I meant.
In Chapter 6, I learned about periodic law, metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.
Chapter 7, Ionic and metallic bonding. Atoms of metallic elements tend to lose their valence electrons, leaving a complete octet in the next lowest energy level.
I learned about valence electrons, electron dot structures, and the octet rule.
Alright, Chapter 9, Covalent bonding. The names of the most polyatomic anions end in ITE or ATE.
I learned about covalent bonds, molecules, molecular compounds, and molecular formulas.
We're on Chapter 9 or 10?
Learn 9.
Alright, Chapter 9, Covalent bonding. The names of the most polyatomic... Oh wait, yeah, those are on Chapter 10.
Okay, do you want to go to Chapter 10? I'll go to Chapter 10.
Yeah, going to Chapter 10. Alright, Chapter 10, Chemical quantities. The mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4, pretty sure that's liters. Yeah, and 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of particles, which is 10.02 times 10 to the 23rd power.
Chapter 10, I learned about moles, Avogadro's number, representative particles, and molar mass.
Alright, Chapter 11, Chemical reactions. The 5 general types of reactions are combination, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion.
In Chapter 11, I learned about chemical equations, balancing equations, and coefficients.
Alright, that pretty much sums up our first semester.
Yay!
Yay!